Okay guys, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Yadil Albuba. So this video I will explain about analytical exposition text, explanation text, and discussion text. Then the first is analytical text. So analytical exposition is a text that elaborates the writer's idea about the phenomenon surroundings. Its social function is to persuade the readers that the idea is important matter, and to analyze the topic that the thesis or opinion is correct by developing or arguments to support it. Next, the generic structure of analytical exposition text. So the first is thesis. Thesis means introducing the topic and indicating the writer's point of view. Then the argument, explaining the argument to support the writer's position. The number of argument may vary, but each argument must be supported by evidence and explanation. And the reiteration. The reiteration is restoring the reader's point of view or to strengthen the thesis. We can use the following phrase to make conclusion in reiteration. Then the purpose of analytical exposition text. Then the purpose is to convince the readers that the topics present was important, the topic to be discussed, and gain attention by way of providing arguments or opinions that support the main idea or topic. Then the characteristic or language feature of analytical exposition text. The first is using relational process. The second, using internal conjunction. Then using conjunction, using simple present tense, using compound and complex sentence. Then last, use word that link argument such as firstly, secondly, and reasoning through causal conjunction such as in addition, furthermore, however, and therefore. Okay, next I explain about definition of explanation text. So explanation is a text which tells a process relating to forming of natural, social, scientific, and cultural phenomena. Explanation text is to say why and how of the forming of the phenomena. It is often found in science, geography, and history textbook. Then the generic structure of explanation text. The first is general statement. So this is the starting the phenomenon issues which are to be explained. Then the sequence of explanation. Then the sequence explanation is to starting a series of steps which explain the phenomena. Next, the purpose of explanation text. Explanation is a text which the tell process relating to forming of natural, social, scientific, and cultural phenomena to explain how or why something happens. Then the language feature of explanation text. In using abstract noun, no visible noun, using passive voice, using action verbs, and containing explanation of the process. Then the last is discussion text. So discussion text is a process of finding common ground between two different thoughts, views or opinions, and discussion text can be defined. So discussion text is a text which presents a problematic discourse. This problem will be discussed from different viewpoints. Discussion is commonly found in philosophical, historic, and social texts. In other words, discussion is a kind of genre use the present at least two points of view about an issue. General structure of discussion text. The first is issue, starting the issue which is to be discussed. The second, argument pro, presenting the point in supporting the present issue. Then argument con, presenting other points which disagree to the supporting points. Then conclusion, starting the writer recommendation of the discourse. Then purpose of discussion text, to present two points of view about issue or problems. Then to present argument from differing points of view about issue or problems. Then the language feature of discussion text. The first, introducing category and generic participant, using thinking verb like feel, hope, believe, using contrastive conjunction like however, on the other hand, but, in the other side. Then the language feature of discussion text. The first is introducing category or generic participant, using thinking verb like feel, hope, and believe. Then using contrastive conjunction like however, on the other hand, but, in other side, and out of. Then using modalities like must, should, could, and may. Then using adverbial of manner like deliberately and happily. Then simple present. Okay, I think this is enough from me. Thank you so much for watching this video. I apologize for my mistake before. Thank you, and assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.